Hi everyone, my name is Leanna and I run a small side hustle doing Facebook and Instagram for small businesses in Darwin in the Northern Territory. I recently finished Stop Boosting, Start Converting by Jess, and I have to say I highly recommend this course. It is chock full of information about the marketing funnel, building campaigns, building audiences, but it's also got lots of little tips and tricks like how to set up your ads manager from the beginning so it doesn't cause you a headache later. This course is perfect for anyone who's starting out in Ads Manager, but even for someone like me who's been doing it for a few years. I took so much away from this course content and I feel so much more confident building campaigns for my clients. This course is also evergreen. I've already seen Jess updating the course content based on new regulations by Facebook, which has been incredible and invaluable. I don't have the time to keep up to date on things like that, and Jess is on top of trends and regulations in snap of a finger. And the course content also includes a Facebook group, which I've really enjoyed. It's been an amazing support system, but it's also been a chance to put out there my issues that I'm having with ads, and I'm getting solutions as a result. So if you are considering this course, get out there, go get it. It is so worth it. It is great value for money and you won't regret it.